guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be doing a mousse only wash and go using a product that you may have seen on my channel here before, the doux mousse deft texture foam. So if you're interested in seeing the entire process, keep on watching. Now if you're not familiar with the doux mousse deft, they do say to wet your hair in order to get better results. So wet your hair as much as possible if you want a little softer results, and if you don't want as soft results, and if you actually want a cast, do it on damp hair or dry hair. So what I'm going to do, since I don't want too much of a cast, is wet my hair so that there'll be more definition, more moisture, more everything, and you'll see that entire process. I will just do a montage and you will see the end result. This is not a tutorial, this is just me showing how I will do my mousse only wash and go. So if you're interested in a more detailed version, definitely check out one that I would have done on short, extremely short hair. This one is just on longer hair. So let's get to it. these are the results. My hair looks a lot different than how it would have been short. So we will see how it dries. Here are the wet results. As I said, they're promising, so fingers crossed everything goes well. My hair feels soft, so I don't think that I will get a crunch, but as I said, we will see. So stay tuned for the dry results. Alrighty, so my final thoughts. This set does not feel as dry as the first time I used this texture foam for a wash and go. I will definitely recommend using it. Just make sure that you have a lot of water on hand, because you really don't want your hair to feel too dry, because I find that foams tend to make your hair feel dry. Other than that, I definitely can recommend you using this. If you prefer using a leave-in under this, that is perfectly fine. Just make sure that your hair is as moisturized as possible. And yes, these are my final thoughts on this. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, definitely leave a like, subscribe for more natural hair content, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.